From Times Square to hospital rooms, hotels to retail stores, MDM displays are lighting up the customer experience. Solution-based systems are custom designed for clients who want to serve their customers with the most up-to-date information, entertainment, or brand-sustaining visual experiences anywhere. Look into our success stories for hospital and hospitality solutions for TV and guest information, and into our bold, bright use of direct view LED technology to create environments that impress customers.
We rely on MDM heavily, and quite frankly, without them, we wouldn't be the market leader that we are in the hotel vertical and the healthcare vertical. They fulfill needs that we cannot fulfill.
MDM is the largest supplier of LG video displays in the nation, and their customer service is the best in the business.
The goal is to find the right solution for your size organization, and MDM is responsive. They were the right size fit for us.
They do right by the customers. That final experience has to be spot on. Otherwise, it's not going to work for them.
The customer's everything, and doing what's right for the customer, and treating them right, and it's just a respect. And you care a lot about your reputation and what you're providing, and that's the most important thing, is what we do for the customer.
If you're considering a system which displays your best work, brings together a distant workforce, or creates an impressive customer environment, you have an army of experienced, service-oriented professionals ready to make your project easy to manage.
I didn't have to spend 6 months ramping up to find the right products and the right groups. It was already there, and we just launched.
Whether it's the massive display in one of the world's iconic hotels, guest entertainment and information systems, or tying together personnel and customers through integrated information and data sharing projects, MDM can design a system that gets the results you want. Contact us for a free consultation today. Your results can be spectacular.